In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image move in CapCut PC. If you want to bring a static picture or graphic to life by sliding it across the screen, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. We'll be using keyframes inside CapCut PC to create simple motion, and once you understand the basic idea, you can repeat the same technique for almost any image in your project. To begin, go down to your timeline and find the image clip you want to animate. Click once directly on that image block so it's selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which layer you want to control. Next, move your vertical playhead to the exact moment where you want the movement to begin. Take a second here to place it carefully because this point becomes the starting moment of your animation. Once your playhead is in place, go up to the preview window, click on your image, and drag it to the position where you want it to start. Now that the image is sitting in its starting position, it's time to lock that position in with a keyframe. Move to the top right settings panel. Under the Video tab and then inside the Basics section, find the position and size controls. On the far right of that row, you'll see a small diamond-shaped keyframe icon. Click it once. When that diamond turns blue, CapCut has saved your starting position. That blue diamond is your visual confirmation that the first keyframe is active. Next, we'll create the final destination for the movement. Move your playhead a few seconds forward on the timeline to the moment where you want the motion to end. The distance between these two playhead positions affects the speed of the movement, so a longer gap creates slower motion, while a shorter gap makes the image move faster. Once the playhead is at the ending point, return to the preview window and drag the image to its final position on the screen. As soon as you move it, CapCut automatically creates a second blue diamond keyframe. That means the software now has both the starting point and the ending point, and it will animate the image smoothly between them. Go ahead and press play to preview the result. You should see your image slide naturally from its first position to its final landing spot. And that's it. With your timeline playhead aligned, your starting layout set, your top right diamond keyframes added, and your motion path created by moving forward in the timeline, you're all set. Done.